As you guys know, you can't have a really cool desk setup without a comfortable chair. So let's kick things off by building a chair that will accompany all gaming stations that I'm about to put together for you guys right now. Inside this box is the $152 Vinsetto ergonomic vibrating massage office chair from HomCom. I usually begin building my chairs by taking everything from inside the box. I have to make sure that every single item is inside. While pulling out all the items, I was blown away by the backrest. It was padded real well for maximum comfort. The outside was a velvet feel, polyester gray fabric, which makes things more elegant. Once everything was pulled out, I was quite happy that there wasn't too much complexity about the pieces that needed to be put together. The assembly manual guided me every step of the way. I started from the bottom, so I placed all the casters where they needed to go. Basically, setting up the bottom of the chair was the lengthiest process, but at the same time it was pretty easy to do. The reclining mechanism was joined together with a pin, and the armrest plays a big role in joining the seat with the backrest. And of course, I used my trusty drill to tighten all the screws for a sturdy build. On the back, I had to connect the wires to make the chair function at 100%. One was to connect the seat with the backrest, the other one was for the wired remote control, the last connection was for the power cable. The left side of the chair has a pocket to tuck the remote in. Next to it is the power button, and this will turn on the chair. Basically, this is not just a luxury office chair. It also comes with 6-point vibrating massagers, 2 in the shoulders, 2 in the lumbar area, and 2 in the seat. On top of that, it has heating functions. You can use this chair to relax and feel better after a long day of work or gaming. If you wish to recline, you can lean back at 130 degrees. And other nice options this chair has is the height adjustment and the flexibility to adapt to your every need. Whether it's working or gaming, this chair has us covered.